Hello guys, welcome back to Ayesha's Curious HQ. So today we're making a box like these. You can put anything like nail polish, sometimes makeup, rubber bands and jewelry, ponies and bracelets or bangles, even small little clips or big clips like this. So let's put that aside and let's start together. First, cut a square piece. After that, fold it into a triangle. And then open it and make another triangle. And then open it again. And then make a rectangle. And then open it again. And give it the same fold in the opposite direction. And open it again. Now see these corners, fold it to the middle. Take your time to this dotted line. Open it and do the same here, but it's an easier way is just to keep this here and just hold it here. Because when you open it, will be one and the same thing. Even though you did not draw a dotted line. Okay, now open it. You see these two folds, open them, and then revise your folds. Like this. Become our bottom of our box. So it's better to glue it now. Now you see here, just hold it like that. Just slowly from the bottom, you take care of that so it comes neat. Now don't worry, you have to overlap. Squeeze it from here. So now as you see, before you fold it in, just glue from here and this whole triangle so it'll be neat when you fold it. It'll be a little hard for you to glue it because then fold it and at the end you will adjust it. So now I will do the same thing which we did with this one, like that, and again like that, and then like this, squeeze it properly, and also glue it so when you put it, when you fold it in, it's all neat. Then fold it in. I adjust it here. First I adjust it here, and then just stick it there. Also adjust it and make sure everything is in its right place. To make it stick properly, just use the ruler to make it sit down. Okay, and I adjust the corners. The bottoms also should also kind of a little revise these folds from here so it stands properly. So here's our box, and you can make any size. Just take a big square piece, okay? So just message me in the comment section if yours came out great
Bye-bye.